Welcome to Google Search for Beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Google Search to find information on the internet. Google Search is a search engine that can be accessed from any computer or device connected to the internet. When you type words into Google Search, it quickly searches billions of web pages for information based on those words. Google Search is free and available to everyone. If you have already taken the lesson, Google Docs for Beginners, you used Google Docs to plan a celebration. In this lesson, you will use Google Search to search for a location where you can hold your celebration. If this is your first Google Apps for Beginners lesson, that's fine. Make up a celebration or use one from your real life. This example is just a way to help you practice the skills you'll learn in these videos, so the exact one you choose is not important. As you complete the lesson, you will go to google.com and type a search query into Google Search. Along the way, you'll learn tips to help you find the exact information you're searching for. Ready to get started? Click Next to watch the next video.